Good morning to all. Triangle congruence theorem. What do you mean by congruence? In a figure, let us consider triangle. This triangle is same as the another triangle. Then it is said to be congruent. It can be moved in any place, but the size and the shape should be same. If the size and the shape does not same, then it is not congruent. Triangle congruence theorem SSS. Side, side, side. Let us consider two triangles. These two triangles were aimed to each other. We can say this as congruent by SSS rule because the first side is equal to the another triangle's first side and the other two triangles sides also equal. So we can say these two triangles are congruent. It can be moved in any shape, but it is said to be congruent. Next, we can see an example. In the following figure, AB is equal to BC and AD is equal to CD. Show that ABD congruent to triangle CBD. Here they have asked to show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Solution. First we should write the given. AB is equal to BC, AD is equal to CD. And we should show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Let us consider triangle ABD and triangle CBD. AB is equal to BC by the given side. AD is equal to CD by given side. BD is equal to BD because of the common side. Therefore, the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SSS congruence rule. Hence proved. Thank you.